Hello and welcome back to Kotak Securities market trading session, जहां हम आपको टेक्निकल एंड फंडामेंटल स्ट्रैटेजीज, ग्लोबल एंड डोमेस्टिक अपडेट्स, एज वेल एज इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्टर एंड स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं टू हेल्प यू मेक योर इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस एंड स्टार्ट योर ट्रेडिंग डे। तो शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट्स के साथ। SGS Nifty in Singapore is rising by 0.50%, indicating a positive start for the trading session today. प्रीवियस सेशन में BSE सेंसेक्स 443 पॉइंट्स चढ़कर 52,265 पे क्लोज हुआ है एंड NSE निफ्टी 50 143 पॉइंट्स ऊपर 15,556 पे क्लोज हुआ है। Meanwhile, other Asian markets were also trading in the green, with Japan's Nikkei up at 0.79%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng up at 0.38%, and China's Shanghai Index rising by 0.14%. In the US, Dow Jones was up by 0.64%, S&P 500 added 0.95%, and Nasdaq rose by 1.62%. Now, when we talk about domestic key technical levels, for the last 3 days, the market is witnessing non-directional movement, and intraday textures indicate the continuation of range-bound activity in the near future. For traders, 15,350 to 15,730 are important levels to watch out. Index 15,350 to 15,180 levels तक गिर सकता है. On the other hand, Nifty 15,630 से ब्रेकआउट करके 15,730 to 15,800 levels तक जा सकता है. Coming to fundamental calls from our research desk, आज हम रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं Sapphire Foods के स्टॉक को with a buy rating at a target price of 14.25 per share. Let's discuss the positive rationale behind this call. Our research team expects Sapphire to be one of the fastest growing quick service restaurant chains in India. The company can potentially add 179 KFC stores, taking the total count to 442. We expect earning per share of 17.4 in FY23 estimate and an EPS of 25.3 in FY24 estimate. We also expect 340 basis point of operating margin expansion to 13.9% over FY22 to 25 estimate. However, there are a few negative factors to consider, which are economic slowdown, consumers' preference towards healthier option compared to fast food, and any breach in the master franchise agreement. Finally, coming to sector and stock-specific news, India's current account deficit fell to $13.4 billion in the fourth quarter ended March 2022, from $22.2 billion in October-December 2021. Percentage terms में देखा जाए, then the CAD for January-March quarter was 1.5% of the gross domestic product, down from 2.6% of the GDP in the previous quarter. L&T Energy के हाइड्रोजन कार्बन डिविजन ने 3 ऑफशोर पैकेजेस सिक्योर किए हैं फ्रॉम अ प्रेस्टिजियस ओवरसीज क्लाइंट इन द रेंज ऑफ ₹2,500 to 5,000 crore. The scope of the work comprises engineering, procurement, construction, and installation of various offshore jacket structures. The Board of Directors of Vodafone Idea Limited has approved raising of funds aggregating up to ₹436.21 crore to Euro-Pacific Securities on a preferential basis. Macrotech developers ने regulatory filing में announce किया है that it's about to enter Bangalore's housing market after completing a detailed evaluation जो पिछले 9 महीनों से चल रहा है. That's all for today. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, then don't forget to hit that like button and do share this video with your family and friends. For more updates on stock specific news, आप Kotak Securities के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा you can also follow us on other social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, for which links have been provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching and have a good trading session.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.